On February 16, 2023, officers were called to an emergency shelter in regards to an 18-year-old who had a warrant for her arrest for assaulting her parole officer.
Alexis.
Yep.
How you doing? Go put your stuff down.
Why?
Put your stuff down. Put your stuff down.
Why?
Because you're gonna come outside. Put your stuff down. Not a big deal.
You guys can just help me, you know.
Okay, that's fine.
He already knew your name and everything.
Fuck. I'm not doing anything. It's not like I'm gonna fight you guys. Really?
I appreciate that.
You're arresting me?
Well, you have a warrant.
That makes no sense.
Lion.
I did nothing. I did nothing.
You want to go to the ground?
I did nothing, you know.
You want to go to the ground?
I did nothing.
Stop.
You know I did nothing.
Stop. Quit.
Then let me go. I did
Quit.
nothing.
Stop. Stop. Just give her time.
I did nothing.
Just give her a second.
Stop resisting.
I did nothing.
Hey,
Stop
quit.
resisting.
Alexis? Alexis, stop. Okay? It's just not going to work, okay?
I did nothing. Ow.
Stop
I
resisting.
literally did nothing.
Alexis, just stop.
You get a wrist on her.
No. I literally have nowhere to stay. I literally have nowhere to fucking stay.
Alright.
And I've already been to jail once.
Just give me the hand.
No. I did
Alexis.
nothing wrong.
Alexis, stop.
I did nothing wrong. I literally did nothing fucking wrong.
Alexis, do you want tased? I don't understand what you want in here.
I didn't say
Sorry, I didn't know she was pulling away from you.
And I literally have a job.
That's fine.
I literally have to work.
Too big. I'm gonna get a purchase on her arm. Alright, we're gonna stand you up.
No.
On this side. There you go.
Why are you guys being so
You're gonna
harsh?
sit up on your butt.
Being hard.
Sit up on your butt.
You are. You're arresting
Sit
me
up on your
for
butt.
no reason.
You're being a
And
child.
stand up for me. 1, 2, 3.
Please
Use
don't
your
make
legs.
us carry you out.
Use your legs.
You guys are arresting me for no fucking reason.
Are you gonna make us carry you out?
Would you like hobbled? And then
Why
carried out?
are you guys even arresting me?
You have
did
a warrant on indictment for felonious assault on parole.
For what?
Felonious assault on your parole officer.
I just bumped against her.
Well, evidently a grand jury disagrees. So
That makes no
Listen to
fucking
me.
sense.
Listen to me.
I did nothing.
Alexis, listen to me. We just fought with you on the ground.
They already trespassed me for
That's
a
fine.
damn year.
Okay, well, let's figure it out outside instead of making a scene in here in front of all these nice people. Okay?
You guys are just gonna take me to jail.
Well, you said you wanted somewhere to sleep.
I don't want to sleep there. You can just take me to my goddamn friend's house.
All right, come on.
You
Let's-
can't just take me to my goddamn friend's house.
I'll think about it if you get up.
No, you won't. I
You're
know
right.
you won't.
You're right, I won't. You need to get up and come on.
No, you are not arresting me.
would you like a whole other charge?
I did nothing.
We're gonna have to
Okay.
carry you out.
I literally did nothing wrong.
Okay, well, if you did nothing, stand up and walk out here.
You've got to carry her out.
You're just gonna arrest me anyway for no reason. You're just gonna arrest me for no goddamn reason. Right?
113.
You're still gonna fucking arrest me, right?
What?
Just let me talk to my dad.
I'll call your dad if you get up and stand up like an adult and walk out there.
Would you like to stand up now?
I needed to talk to him now.
I'll talk to him out in the
If
car.
we help you up, are you going to stand up and use your feet?
Just take me to my friend's house.
Let's try one more time.
Come on. Please stand up for me.
No, not until you agree to take me
The
to my
best that
friend's
you
house.
gonna get, they gonna call your dad. You need to get up and walk back with them so they can
No.
call your dad. Yes, you do.
No.
Okay.
Why are you even back here?
Just take me to my goddamn friend's house.
She refused to leave. I can't.
tell as soon as he said put your bag down, she said no. I was like, yeah.
She said, absolutely not. I just called because I can't.
And you guys know I can't survive out there for a year on my own. You just know it.
Now you're gonna make us carry you out there. It's gonna look embarrassing for us.
I just needed to go to my friend's house. That's it.
We'll do.
The man made insurance, y'all. Is everything done? Let's go ahead and get everything.
I just need my friend's house.
The man is here. The man is here.
All right. I'll push you on a wheelchair if you're willing to do that.
No.
Okay. Well,
There go the wheelchair.
I just need my friend's house.
There go the wheelchair. Y'all want me to get it? Because either way it go, you gonna have to do what they said.
I just
You
need my
want it your
friend's
way and you
house.
can't have it your way.
come on, grow
You
up.
did wrong,
You're
so
just
pay
gonna
the
take me to
consequences.
jail for no reason.
I am gonna take you to jail. I'm not gonna lie to you. So let's just go.
No.
Let's go like an adult.
No.
Oh, yeah.
I'll do the obstructing.
You guys are arresting me for no
gonna drag
goddamn
you out.
Now
This
you're
is your
also
last
under arrest for
opportunity.
obstructing official business because you refuse to get up, stand up, and walk out on your own authority.
Okay, listen to me. This is your
Because
last.
you guys
This
are-
is your last opportunity.
I'm not
I'm gonna
listening.
drag you out. Let's go.
No. Ow! Fuck you, bitches!
Disorderly conduct. No.
Fuck you, bitches!
No disorderly conduct.
No.
3.
No. You guys are fucking arresting me for no reason.
Assault on PO and died by parole.
It wasn't assault, I just bumped her.
Disorderly conduct. Obstructing official business.
That's gotta hurt your hands. Come on.
Alright, let's just chill now. You got it, huh? I'll wait on white. Carry her all the way. Jail's gonna love you.
You guys are arresting me for no goddamn reason, you know. Right?
What?
You guys are arresting me for no reason.
Now you're just being a child. You're sitting on the floor crying.
Because you guys
Because you hit
are
your parole officer.
I didn't
I
hit
treated you with
her.
respect in there.
I didn't hit her, I bumped her.
Oh, okay, I don't care. Then grow up and fight it like an adult instead of throwing like a
I'm
child.
not going back to jail!
You're throwing a
Yes,
tantrum.
you are.
No, I'm not!
There's nothing. There's no matter what.
They
you do.
check on us.
I'm not going to jail! I'm not going to goddamn jail!
Chris, why are you tone out here?
I think we should check up on us, man.
I don't think so. You ready to walk again?
No! I'm not going to jail!
Yeah, you
Okay,
are.
you are.
No,
I'm giving you a
I'm
second.
I did nothing!
Alright, you ready? We're gonna go again.
No! Don't
He's
you
already here.
dare
Wait.
touch me!
No reason to get into a use of force right now.
Don't you dare touch me! I did nothing!
Hey, Christopher.
I literally did nothing! Nothing at all! I did nothing!
She did nothing wrong.
Okay, well, if they want you gone, you still gotta go.
I know, that's why I want to go to my friend's house!
A felony warrant. Now
Oh, you got warrant?
I never did anything, I just fucking bumped her!
4 counts of
Please
disorderly.
just walk out.
Well,
like
if you have a warrant, you have a warrant.
That's for bumping someone!
I don't
That's
wanna
still a
hurt you.
warrant.
I know that hurts your hands when we pull you like that.
It's still a warrant,
I know
no
it is.
matter
Just take
how
these
minute it
off. It's
was.
cutting into my goddamn wrist! No, this one!
This is like I can fit 2 fingers in here.
Ow! It still fucking hurts!
Ma'am, I can fit 4 fingers in here.
It's cutting
I
into
can
my
fit
wrist still!
Unfortunately, handcuffs aren't the most comfortable.
And especially when
No, they're not!
But if we can fit fingers through them, it means there's no
It's
difference
cutting
we have to
into my
make.
wrist still, probably because I have a goddamn watch on! Just take it off real quick!
No, we can't take cuffs off.
Ow! Ow! And I literally have work tomorrow!
Well, the longer you dilly-dally here with them, the less time you're gonna give the jail to process you.
I don't want to hurt
And
your
get you
hands
out.
anymore. Let's just walk.
The sooner you get to the jail, the sooner they put into motion whatever you're supposed to be there for and get you out of there. Because I assure you, they don't want you in there either.
Then why are you guys even doing this?
Because we're required by law.
Come on. we're
No,
gonna
you're
carry
not.
on.
Yes, we
Like,
are.
I'm done
Just
sitting
call
here.
my
It's
dad
cold.
real
We've already been
quick.
through this.
It's not even worth it.
No, do not touch me.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
Really? You're gonna go dead weight?
Just call my dad!
Are you gonna walk? Are you gonna walk? Don't kick.
No! I just
Stop kicking.
tried!
Stop kicking. I know you did.
Do not touch me! Ow! Ow!
Fine. You need hobbler. I got a hobble in my car.
Alright. You're going. It's just, you're gonna make this all worse on you now.
It's embarrassing now.
Because you guys are doing this for no
How
reason!
old are you?
18!
Why are you acting this way then?
Because you guys are doing this for no fucking reason!
A warrant is a reason.
I literally just bumped her!
Do you hear your words coming out of your mouth? You did something. There's a consequence,
Yeah, that's still
and
not
you
like
can't accept
insulting
it.
anyone!
They deemed it was.
Well, it's not!
By the law, it is, and
No,
you're
it's
18,
not.
and you need to learn how to accept that instead of acting like the child you once were. You're on the other side of the age line now. It's time to act different. You're not 17 and younger. You don't get to behave this way anymore.
I don't care.
Then you're going to be in jail a lot from here on out.
No, I'm not. I literally have work tomorrow.
And now you're not going to make it, because you went from going just for the warrant to now trying to kick me.
I tried,
That's
but
attempted
that doesn't mean
assault
I
on
did
an officer.
anything.
Attempt is still a crime. If I
No,
kick in
it's
someone's
not.
door to break in, but they scare me off, did I still attempt to break into their home?
Just let go! I did nothing!
Well, now you're getting escaped too.
Oh, it's locked. It's double locked.
232C.
Let's go!
Turn it over, turn it over.
Don't lose this one. Don't lose this.
You go to jail. Starting 188.
You got it?
No. No.
2242.
Alright. How do you work this thing?
What are you doing?
Get her legs.
What the fuck are you doing? Let me go! What the fuck are you doing?
Get that leg from me. Okay, we got another one. No, don't do that. Can't do that. That counts as a hog tie. We don't hog tie for policy. But we can hold our legs together now.
You're getting into
Let me go! I can walk, you know!
Well, you refuse to do it.
You gonna kick me again?
No! You guys are just
Stand up.
do what?
Well, let's just carry on.
No, don't! Do not!
I think we need more.
You're gonna hurt me worse if you carry me!
Then walk. Then walk.
I'm trying! Why do you guys hate me so much?
Catch anything.
I don't care!
Yeah, you do.
Why do you guys hate me so fucking much?
I don't hate you.
Yes, you do!
No, I don't.
You do!
I really don't.
You do! Or else you wouldn't be doing this! And you would have called my dad by now! Oh my god. Seriously, this all started up because they wouldn't let me bring in my food from the food bank. That's it. And I hadn't eaten dinner. Speaking of which, I haven't eaten at all today.
Alexis? Alexis, do you understand? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to an attorney during any questioning. If you cannot afford one will be actually provided for you.
I don't care.
If you then decide to answer questions,
I know all this shit already.
my question to you: would you like to answer my questions now?
Not really.
Not really.
Because I know all this is shit.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to talk to me anymore?
Nope. I would rather die. Not kill myself, but just die.
Hey.
Anybody on here?
It's Vera. Her eye's responsive. She's just refusing. Yep. All right, come on. Put your feet up. Yeah, she ain't got no shoes. Yeah, oh, she's acting like she's Miss Clear.
There's a car parked in front of my house.
Oh, there you go. You can stand up.
Come
on.
Out of Hillsborough. She's got warrants for Jason.